What's up, y'all? Today we are building the Neo Zeong, the giant ass one. We're just gonna get into it because this is gonna take us for fucking ever. Oh my god! What the fuck? This is the biggest Gunpla piece that has ever existed in the history of the fucking world. What is this? This is absurd. It's empty now. This is... Listen. This shape of Gunpla material is prime for making jokes out of. When it came to the Psycho Zaku, I definitely made a couple jokes about, you know, the way it's shaped and looks. This is too big. This is too big to make a joke out of. This is absurd. Look at that. God, this is the sturdiest plastic I've ever seen. Check that out, chat room. That's kind of cool. It is big as fuck. I feel like I could kill somebody with this. Realistically, just... Alright, we need S and Y. And we need 6 of them? Good God Almighty Christ in heaven. I'm gonna say something very controversial, but this kit has a shitload of fucking plastic. But this is a good time to take a breather. So, I've got Cloud's Buster Sword, the Bloodberry from No More Heroes, I've got a Zaku Heat Axe, I've got the Moonlight Greatsword, I've got Squall's Revolver, I've got the Dragon Slayer from Berserk, I've got the Red Queen from Devil May Cry 4, and I've got the Lionheart from Final Fantasy VIII. Behold my blade hands! I'm so fucking cool, oh, I knocked shit over already. Ouch. It's kind of painful. No. I can't even. What is this? It's enormous! Help me! Holy fuck! Why is it so large? I don't even know what to say. It's fucking enormous, chat room. And it's heavy! Help! Gosh, this is so relaxing. I'll be honest, the reason I got into model kit building was like, it's just peaceful. You just snap some pieces together. You don't have to interpret anything most of the time. You just follow the instructions and it's nice and it's easy and it's good. I love this shit. It's so nice. Oh my god, there's so many fucking pieces. Fuck off. Hey, chat room. Look how many it wants me to build. In the bottom right corner. Anybody want to tell me offhand if they've ever seen a number of times you have to do the same step? We finished it. After all these years, it's finally done. Behold, my giant son. I guess we do final reviews for the mobile armor part. So, for those of you in the know, this is only about half of the kit. There's a whole Sinanju Stein we have to build, but it is a high grade, so it's not a huge deal. We'll get to that next week, probably. However, I think I am in a place to comment about this big guy. First of all, I mean, the big thing is the size. It is immense. This stands to like 3 feet, maybe just about 3 feet. It's very, very impressive. Working with the big plastic was not as cumbersome as I thought it would be. Getting some of the pegs in was difficult, as to probably be expected. Not the worst thing in the world, though. Overall, it was very fun to build. The only thing I didn't like was towards the end, where you have to build all these arm units. It's just repetitive. Super, super repetitive. Otherwise, it's cool. It's very cool. It is simple. It is a high grade. At the end of the day, it's 1/144th. But it's big, and it's cool, and I don't know. I guess if you've got a spare $300 and Bandai's doing a reprint, pick it up, because it is very cool. This is going to be a centerpiece for my collection for a very, very long time, which is really, really cool. And, yeah, I think that's all I have to say about it. It's neat. It's very neat.